How is it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I have a lot of green growing in this garden finally. So we're doing an update. I also have a shade cloth over this because it's so hot that I had to shade these things because they're precious fruits. So these plants are all cucumbers. This is a squash, and these are cucumbers as well. You can see a couple of guys right there. There they are. And then this is the squash, growing really good. And then I also have ones on the back side here, growing. Another little cuke right there, little guy. A couple more right there. Tons of activity going on right now in the garden. So I thought I'd give you guys an update. Another squash. And a big guy right here as well. And they're taking their sweet time to turn. It's actually been a while, probably over a month and a half. Still waiting for them to get yellow. Then we got my bok choy, which is starting to seed, which is okay because I've gotten my use out of it, and you can still use some of these leaves, and they'll keep growing. Strawberries, got an onion growing, got some dill, and one thing we like to pickle our obviously our cucumbers, so you let these go to flower because it's a stronger pickle, like a stronger pickling dilly flavor. So you actually are supposed to pickle with the seeds, believe it or not. So I let it actually naturally do that. So then it reseeds as well, and then I can use them too. And then we got my rosemary, which has been around this channel for years at this point. Different herbs right here. An eggplant. Let's see if I have an eggplant fella. There's a little guy growing. There's a couple more back there. Got some eggplants. Got a bunch of peppers growing. Basil today, which I'm gonna make some pesto today. So this is gonna be getting cut actually today. So it won't be this bushy anymore because obviously you cut this and then it'll regrow. So that's the nice thing about a lot of these plants when you reuse them. And then lastly, got our jalapeno plant. And this thing has tons of fruit on them. There's probably like 18 or so different jalapenos on that plant. I got some mint down here. Another type of mint. It's getting a little heat stressed, but that's okay. It still tastes just as good. Got some flowers down here, some hydrangeas. Just about to flower. And then lastly, excuse me, my tomatoes, which we've gotten a good couple bounties of already. And these things are growing great. So there's a bunch of them. Don't mind the mess back here. There's a bunch of them on the plant. There's a bunch right there. Some more. A couple guys down here. Some more right there. Some more right there. A little guy right there. So we will be having a bunch of tomatoes, needless to say. We will be having a bunch, and that's okay because I would be making them into salsa or putting them on sandwiches or whatnot. Let you get another look at this one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's going to be a little quick update of this garden, of my garden. If you guys like the video, hit the subscribe button and the like button. It helps me out. and leave some comments about maybe what you'd like to see me try and grow, because a lot of these things have been from seed, so I'm willing to experiment. I don't know why I said that weird. But yeah, I'm willing to try different things, try new plants. I'm learning, obviously, so everything's a trial and error. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I will bring you guys back when these are fully ripe and ready to go. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.